when a couple has a sexual experience, there's a bonding hormone, oxytocin, that's released, bonds them together. Well, when a man has a sexual experience with pornography, oxytocin bonds him to the pornography, very much like a mother is bonded to the baby. And not only is the mother bonded to the baby, but she is so bonded that she becomes kind of supernaturally protective of the baby. And any threat, like cave woman, a lion outside the cave, she's ready to go to war and defend and fight. So the man, when he feels challenged, or maybe someone's onto his pornography problem, like his wife, and she's a threat to what he's bonded to, all of a sudden, the person that he loves so much, he is physiologically prone to hate her, go against her, fight her off. She becomes the enemy. And she's the woman that he wanted to spend the rest of his life with. And when a man comes to understand, it's not just about dirty pictures. It's about destroying the relationship with his wife. Even